What's up, YouTube? This is TJ Goble doing a follow-up video on the Glock 23 Gen 3. As promised, I was going to shoot through some different brands of ammo to see how the gun reacted. The first 13 rounds I'll be shooting will be toll ammo. Let's get to it, see how the gun handles it. Weapon is clear. Drop the mag. Let's go check the target. Ready to go round 2 with some federal ammunition and the Glock 23 Gen 3. See how the gun reacts to this ammo. Basically, let's check out the durability and reliability. Gun is clear. Drop the mag. Slide forward. Let's go check the target. Again, getting ready to fire some federal aluminum ammunition through the Glock 23 Gen 3 to see how the gun reacts, see how the gun holds up. Let's get to it. Gun is clear. Drop the mag. Slide forward. Let's check the target. Giving a final review on the Glock 23 Gen 3. Today you saw me put 39 rounds of 3 different brands of ammo. Although some of the groups wasn't as tight as what I would have liked, most of them were shooter error, but overall the gun performed exactly what you would expect from a Glock, flawlessly. The only thing different that I would change about the Glock 23 Gen 3 is I will definitely do the trigger modification and go to the 3.5 pound trigger pull instead of the 5 pound trigger pull. But other than that, the gun worked great. There were no jams, no misfires, and it was a good day of shooting. So if you're looking for a great carry concealed weapon, especially in a 40 caliber, you cannot go wrong with the Glock 23 Gen 3 40 caliber compact. God bless America. Stay safe and Semper Fi.